Another noise that's I don't know how we can use it, but it's there. It's a sine. It's create a sine noise. For example, we bring a hill. I think it's well for water and lake, and it gives a nice wavy reflectance. I think if you want sine, modular, the train noise, the single sine. You can assign it to the sine. And in a sine, you can bring the amount very high, and then you can see it's create a sine wave on your hill. If you give amount, as you can see it in this direction. It's a sine wave. If you want, you can create such these things in your train if you want. You know, the mathematical sine wave, it's up and down, up and down, up and down. It creates something like this. If you bring the amount up, you can see it there. It's going down, going up, going down, like this. Okay. Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.